Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is going to be my January favorites, my first monthly favorites of 2018. So if you like to see what I have been loving in the past month, then please keep on watching. This month was a little rocky. I know that you guys, all of you who watch my videos, probably had a similar experience this month. There's a lot of pressure to want to turn over a new leaf and to want to really make your mark and make this year better. And sometimes January really falls flat, especially in the mental health camp. So a lot of the products I'm going to talk about are, intertwined with mental health. Beauty often can be in very little ways. So that's my little disclaimer, if you will. I'm gonna start with skincare because there was one product this month that I really leaned on to make me feel better physically and emotionally, and that was the Glossier Moisturizing Moon Mask. And I think this product is amazing. So the instructions are to apply a thick layer and let it sit for 20 minutes and then to rinse it off. And there's something about this jelly kind of cream that is just so luxurious and so beautiful, and it basically rehydrates my skin. And I do love pairing this up with an astringent mask, so something like a clay mask or a charcoal mask, something that's really purifying, and then double masking and doing this right after just really nourishes my skin so it doesn't overproduce oil from being stripped. And I've had a couple of really bad days in January. I'm sure you have noticed that I had a big lag in my uploading schedule and I just wasn't doing well. And there were days where I just couldn't even wash my face. And, one of the things that helped me, start to feel more like myself is to start investing time in my skincare routine again and really take that 5 to 20 minutes. I mean, it can be as short or long as you like, but for me, my mental health is taking care of my skin. So popping in one of these and just doing 20 minutes, sitting in bed reading while this was helping my skin out just felt like I was taking care of myself that little bit extra. And when people say to treat yourself, I think that's what it really comes down to, doing things as self-care. So it's a great mask, but you can also use it to make yourself feel more human and give you that baby smooth soft skin. Another product that I was loving this month was a hair product. I've been really blowing my hair out a lot lately, and that's just because it is too effing cold where I live to let it air dry. I love my hair air dried, but your girl gets cold. So this is the Away Smoothing Cream. I'm sorry it's so crumbled. This is a metal tube, so it was never gonna look that great. I apologize, but this is, I believe, vegan and cruelty-free. I will double check that. I know for a fact that it's cruelty-free because it comes from my salon, which is very beautifully cruelty-free. That's something that I think a lot of people overlook is the products that your hairstylists use. Go to someone whose ethos aligns with yours. That should always be something in the back of your head. But this is a smoothing cream. I just apply about a quarter size to my hand. If my hairstylist is watching it, she will tell me that is too much, but I have a lot of frizz, a lot of flyaways, and I like that amount for my hair. But I apply it to damp hair, not dripping wet, but reasonably damp hair. Comb it in, and then go to my blow dry. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been really smoothing my hair as a smoothing cream should. And I've been on this tube for over a year, so that should tell you how good it is and how long lasting it is. You really don't need too much of it. I think I probably go overboard, so that's saying something. The next product I want to talk about is something that I use probably every day if I'm doing a regular full face of makeup, and that is contour. I have contour on today, keep those cheeks in line. But my favorite powder contour at the minute has been the Nabla Cosmetics powder contour in the color Gotham. And I'm just gonna put my hand up because I feel like this is just gonna blend right in. But Gotham is beautiful. It's this perfect cool toned brown. It's a shadow color. It doesn't have too much warmth in it, but it's not too gray, so it doesn't make me look like I'm ready to lie in a casket. It's that appropriate shadow color like mine today. This is the powder contour that I have been reaching for every day. It's loose because Nabla keeps selling out of the little compacts, so I'm forced to be using my Z palette with my other contour refills. But Nabla is amazing for their powder cheek products, so if you haven't checked them out before, I really recommend doing so. They also have darker shades than Gotham. I just think it's super hard to find a neutral to cool contour for pale babes, and I thought I'd share that with you. So some cheek products I've been loving this month. I've been really into my Real Glowy Juicy Cheek, and for that look, I've been really loving the Glossier Cloud Paints. I have them in the color Dusk and Beam. There's a lot of Glossier in my life right now, and I have to say that is partially because I'm obsessed with Glossier, and the other part because one of my homegirls works at Glossier, and she might have gotten me into Beam. Sam, if you're watching this, thank you for Beam. I use it every day. Like every single day. I didn't think I'd ever love something as much as Dusk, which is more of like a rosy brown, but Beam is that like peachy pink, and I love it. It's beautiful, and it looks beautiful if you have more neutral to yellow undertones. They're all gonna look really beautiful on you. I feel like they're all super wearable. The next color I think I want to pick up is Puff, which is like a baby pink. It's like that, you know, first snow, like rosy cheek color. I really, really want to try that, so I'll probably be picking that up soon. The eyeshadow palette that I've been using the most this month by far has been the Kat Von D Metal Matte eyeshadow palette. I created two videos, count them, two in the past month. I will leave them up in the cards here. Both are doing real well, so thank you guys for the love. This palette speaks for itself though. It's flippin' gorgeous. It's your neutral palette of dreams. I just think that it's stunning. I think that all of the colors are super wearable, but you have colors that sort of challenge you as well, like the brighter orangey red and the plum with shimmer. But I think that this could easily be like the travel palette for me, because I'm a warm neutral girl. When I do wear a lot of eyeshadow, it's, you know, contour with some shimmer. What else can I say? The last beauty product is the nail color that I'm wearing. It is by Madame Glam, and this is the One Step Gel color in Ready or Not. And I've been obsessed with Madame Glam. I got a couple shades over Christmas, and my in-laws got them for me, and I've been loving those. And then I told my mom about it, and then we bought a bunch of colors together. It became a whole thing. I love Madame Glam gel polishes. Regular nail polish on me lasts like maybe a day, which is really pathetic, but it just always ends up chipping. I don't know what it is. I've used so many different combinations of top coats and this and that, and always gets hair marks in it when I'm sleeping, and I just don't know what the heck I'm doing wrong. But gel polish lasts like almost a week on me, and I know that might sound really pathetic, but I must be really rough and tumbling with my hands, because they chip and peel and get smashed. I'm a very hands-on person. But this color, Ready or Not, is so stunning. If you guys would like a video on how I go through and do my Madame Glam gel nails at home, then please leave a comment below. Of course, I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. My last favorite this month has been a fashion favorite, and I really want to share it with you because it's been on my head a lot. And it is a beret. This is by Mary Wyatt London, and I'm just gonna insert a picture right here of me wearing it because I don't want to mess up my little situation right now. But it's beautiful. It has this thorn stemmed rose on the side, and it's just super cute. And I absolutely love Mary Wyatt London so much. The quality is beautiful and based in the UK, so, you know, obviously it's cool. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorites this month. Please share in the comments below any favorites that you had. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because I'd love to have you guys here again for my next video. Don't forget to check out my social media links down below, because I update those pretty regularly, and I will speak to you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.